Wow! Ebu you don't see anything. Where go the queen? Our new car, white color. She very new. But that's a nice one, yeah. So guys, Lady Alex had breakfast today. Ciao. Prova. So pure anche pizza. Wow. Okay. So guys, I'm done. My fish pie. So I have my fish pie. Can you see how crunchy? So I'll go on now and start trying it. Okay, then. Can you see my crunchy fish pie? Fish pie is not much because I did not prepare for fish pie. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching. Happy Sunday. Continue watching Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger days in Italy. Period. Okay. Come and book your small chops. I'm not playing with this, my business. Period. So good morning guys, happy Sunday. We are going to church. Ani, una chile before sugo, una chita before sugo.
Yeah, me try. Yeah, me try. Mo ata kwa. Ako che me na ga work.
Abi le go meet.
Me can't, yeah.
It's okay. Chile, do not. Come on, get in that thing. No, tell you what. Only one so much to tell you, Tiani. Allow much. Good afternoon, guys. Hello, people. So, guys, I rest today. Mamma mia, it's not easy. Dear boy, I just wake up now. So tired, you know. I close work 12 o'clock. Till that 12 o'clock, I'm sleeping till now. I wanted to go to Modena, but I'm so tired. I said, let me sleep. Then in the afternoon, because it's my husband going to bring baby Alex in the school today, in the afternoon. I say in the afternoon, I will go to Modena. Let me rest. Guys, it's good to be rested. Eh? It's good. Especially wine. Have some rest. Have some rest. You know, it's very, very good to have rest. So I just sleep like, is it 1 hour 30 minutes? It's not even up to 2 hours. Oh, women in Europe, we are suffering. We are suffering, you know. But it depends the way you want your movement, you know. I'm the kind of person that I don't rest. Always doing this. So I need to go and rest. I will be find something I will do, you know. But today I'm okay. So I'm also here to prepare my children food. They will soon be back, you know. So I have my water. I will be making spaghetti with stone, I think. Spaghetti with tono. I'm okay. So that's it. How you guys doing? You know, thank you all. Thank you also for my subscribers. You guys are doing well in my channel. Thank you, and Almighty God will bless you all. Please continue watching my video, continue supporting me in any way, you know. As you can see, we are growing now. Let's see whether this year ending are we going to arrive to 20k subscribers. I hope and I think. So that is it. I hope everyone is fine. As for me, I'm okay. You know, my mini business is moving. It's moving small. I hope next year something good will come out. You know. Let me don't say anything. So that is it. So continue watching. So guys, let me show you some London biscuits, you know. If I say Mama could see me around. Mama, I got 1 packet. So this packet I told them I'll be giving them. Because children don't want to cast, so some cast said, oh, if you finish it, you don't have to jump. Now I'll be honest. Walking out, really good. So this is London biscuits. Yeah, from Newcastle. London people, you guys will know the biscuits now. It's like digestive, Nigerian biscuit digestive. So can you see? Digestive is also here in Italy. But they say that this one is good, they test and so they're using it for breakfast. We will soon finish. So tomorrow you can leave this one and 2 of them will finish tomorrow. So that's it. Oh. So let's make lunch. I don't mind my husband. So that is it.
Hey. So have yam and egg sauce for lunch.